Yeah, I'm going back in with this palette. Back to longing. I'm gonna do a look today, and I think I'm gonna use the 2 rows at the very end. So like the more neutrally rows. These 2 over here. I need to use both of these rows. They're almost like there's a little bit of a greenness to them, which I think it looks more green on here than it does like IRL, but very excited. Let's grow together. I don't want to say and die at the same time because that makes me sad. And cry at the same time. Sometimes I change the lyrics to songs because it makes me feel better. And oftentimes I find that I've been singing songs incorrectly for years. And I don't want to change it because I'm attached to the way that I sing it. It's a lot of Fall Out Boy songs, actually. I just sing it incorrectly. I'm feeling very excited about this. This time I am going to use a white base to prime. This is the Melt and Ultra White. Am I recording? Can you hear me? Hello? Okay. Let's grow together and cry at the same time. See, doesn't that sound like cathartic and healing? I'm immortal anyway. Starting with the shade Sonder, which I love that, and I knew that I would love this shade. This is like a gorgeous kind of like khaki shade, like a light khaki shade, not too green either. A taupe khaki. Oh, gorgeous. I'm gonna use this shade a lot. I already know. I'm gonna bring it up to the brow. I'm actually gonna go in with Stolen Glance next and put it on the lid. I'm just gonna pat it like all the way. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, I love that. I love that shade. Ooh. Oh my God. I love that. Bring it up a little bit higher. Very, very into that. Okay. I'm going to use this primer on my lower lash because I want the color to really stand out. So I just take the tiniest bit and just kind of run it along. But I'm going to take this shade, and that is Bittersweet. The shade is Bittersweet. It's not bittersweet that I'm using the shade. I'll be here all week. I'll be here forever, hopefully. Going to keep it on the outer edge, like on the outer half, maybe? Oh my God, dude. Oh my God, I'm obsessed with that shade. Listen, I know people get really irritated when people are like, oh my God, I'm obsessed. And they're like, stop saying you're obsessed with everything. It's not that I'm obsessed with everything. There's lots of things I don't like, but I also have one brain cell rolling around sometimes, and I don't have, a vast vocabulary sometimes. If I'm in an eloquent situation, if I'm in a professional setting, if I need to use big words, I will. Sometimes when I'm using makeup, it's just like, I'm only thinking about makeup. My brain, so sparkly. I'm just sitting here. It's just me. In my room, in PD, hanging out. So if I'm going to choose the word obsessed to say, you're going to deal with it. No one has literally said that to me, but I just see that online with other people. Everyone's like, stop, beauty influencers need to stop saying they're obsessed. And it's like, I think actually, there's probably other stuff that you could put your efforts towards. I think you could put that energy into something else. Maybe a hobby. Anyway. I'm going to take the Stolen Glance shade again and put it right in here. Right in, yeah, dude. Ooh. Yeah, that looks cool. This is like muddy, swampy cement vibes, and I'm down with that. Adding a little bit more. Ooh, that looks so good. I need to bring it up though. It needs more to bring this shade higher. I need to shave my brows again because it's causing like some skips and some gathering. I think that's one of the greatest reasons to like shave your face. You can do whatever you want with your facial hair. Let me be clear. You can do whatever you want with your facial hair, rock it however you want. Love that for you. But I like to shave off this section all the way to my temple so that I can make a little spike with my brow. And when I don't do that, it's irritating. It irritates me. Then it does it gathers. I very much see the draw of like shaving off your brows entirely. I'm not there yet, but I do imagine that at some point I will. However, I just really love my brows. Obsessed with this, love this so much. I'm going to take a little bit of Long Ago, which is the darkest shade on the first row, and I'm just going to kind of put it out here just a tiny bit. I think also I might smoke out my liner. So you know what? Now that I'm having that thought, I'm going to stop. I'm going to just add a little tiny bit. I'm going to go in with some cake liner. Literally, cake liner makes doing big wings like this so easy. I can do that in like 10 seconds. Yer. Are they even no? Are my eyes also no? Yeah. Looking perfect. Mwah. Now, I know what you're thinking. Which shimmer? I'll tell you. Remorse? Maggie. I knew it was going to feel this way. Look at that. It is like a green bronze, dude. Holy shite. Now, gonna place it a little bit on the lid. Very lightly. very lightly. I'm gonna pat it around, a little bit up, a tiny little bit, but also maybe put it on a little bit more. Oh my God. I'm gonna put like a little bit more in the center, but only in the center because I do want to see the other shades through. Ooh, that is really pretty. That is really pretty. Yeah. God. Just gonna pat the edges, not necessarily take it over, but pat the edges to blend it out. That's as much as I'm gonna put down of that shade. That is really pretty. That is so stunning and nice. Here's my thing. I think it's Marionette. There's a shade in Dollhouse. I'm pretty sure it's Marionette. It is such a beautiful bronzy shade, kind of like this, like in texture, it's so stunning. I really do feel like, this is just me saying, I feel like Blend Bunny could make some insane like bronze copper tones in that kind of formula. I know people aren't really excited about those right now, but paired in with like this kind of vibe, I don't know, I'm just saying. I'm just, predicting the future maybe. That if we see that, I know that they're going to be incredible. I am actually going to take Remember again, which is that silver, like more chunky kind of shade. And I'm just going to tap it around like very lightly, very even lighter than I had before. But I just want a little bit, it's like a little bit of fairy dust. You know what I mean? Like I just want just a little, just a touch. Okay, I promise. With a brush. Yeah, that's cute. That's freaking cute. Wow. Very, very similar effect. Taking a little bit more right in the center. Yeah, that's stunning. What I actually really want to do though is take a lot of that shade Remorse and run it on my lower lash line. So I'm going to do that. Oh my God, yes. Yeah. I don't know who said the thing about not having shimmer on your lower lash line, but they probably weren't a lot of fun. I understand that shimmer and things like this can pick up texture and fine lines and creases in your eyes and your eye sockets. It's horrible to think that we are human, and unfortunately we do have skin that moves. But what I really don't want is for people to get so afraid of showing signs that they're human and that are gifted with the pleasure of aging that they can't wear makeup. I don't want that to get in the way of you wanting to wear the makeup that you want to wear because what? People are going to know that you're not a newborn baby? Gasp! Out of spite, wear it anyway. Rock it. You will. That's really cool. That looks really cool. Yeah. Yeah. I'm obsessed with this. I don't think I have to tell you that. I love this look a lot. I knew that I would, especially those two rows just over on the left side that were more like neutral greenish, this vibe. Random side note, I straightened my hair yesterday and I love how my hair looks after I straighten it and then I sleep in my hair and then it gets like a little more like my hair back. I just wanted to add some little spikes today because it's been like a couple days since I've done spikes and I'm feeling kind of weird. I'm feeling kind of sad and I miss them. But anyway, I love this so much. This is absolutely something I would wear every single day. I don't know. I just kind of like this like messy kind of like swampy, grungy kind of vibe. I always have. I feel like it always looks so cool, but it also just feels very comfortable at the same time. Of course, paired with the perfect lip. It's mine. I know you probably knew that, but it's fine. With Mom that I made. Yeah, you get it. Okay. But anyway, I just feel good. I feel so good when I do makeup like this. And I hope that you do too. You can use Courtney with Blend Bunny if you do. Thank you so much. Blend Bunny, thank you again. Maggie, I absolutely adore you. Thank you so much for this. You all know that Blend Bunny is one of my top favorite brands. And I'm just so excited. I'm so excited for this. I love this so much. I've really been enjoying this palette more than I thought that I would, which I don't know why. I don't know why I'm like, we'll see. And then I love it so much. And I'm like, wow, how did I ever even have not this? How did I not have this in my life? And that's on being skeptical about everything. Anyway, love this a lot. I really don't have anything else to say other than love this. Blend Bunny, love you. Thank you so much for being here. Viewers at home or wherever you are, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. Follow me for more makeup and beauty content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Yeah. No, this looks really good. This looks really good.